Welcome to projectbazaar.com.
Now we are going to see about the application of machine learning to construction injury prediction. Now we are going to see about the overview of our process. The main objective of our process is to construct the injury prediction from our input data set by using different machine learning algorithms. The needs to ground construction safety related decisions under uncertainty on knowledge extracted from objective empirical data or pressing. Although construction research has considered machine learning for more than 2 decades, it had yet to be applied to safety concerns. In the context of construction safety analysis, the study makes important strides in that the result provide reliable probabilistic forecast of likely outcome should an accident occurs. The system is developed the different machine learning algorithms for predicting the construction injury effectively. Then experimental results shows that accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So this is the overview of our project. Now we are going to see about the flow of our process. First we have to take the input data set. The data set name is construction injury data set. The data set was collected from some data set repository like UCI, GitHub, Kaggle and so on. After that we have to select your input data set by using pandas package. Then we have to implement the pre-processing step. In this step we have to handle missing values. Here we have to check any missing values is present in your data set. If you have any missing values means we have to replace that missing values by zeros. Why we are handling missing values means for avoid wrong prediction. Then we have to perform label encoding. Here we have to encode the data into some labels, that is we have to convert the string into numeric integer value. Then we have to perform or drop unwanted columns. Here if you have any unnecessary columns or we are not used these columns in our process means we have to drop that unnecessary columns from your data set. After that the pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we have to split your data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. The data splitting perform based on the data splittings are splitted our pre-processed data based on some ratio, for example 80:20 or 70:30. Likewise we are splitted our data set. After that the splitted data are carried out to classification module. Here we are implemented different machine learning algorithms such as AdaBoost and decision tree. So with the help of this algorithm we have to classify and predict the construction injuries. So as usual the prediction, so here we are predict the construction injuries. Then finally we have to estimate some performance metrics like accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So accuracy means this is the overall prediction, how your model accurately performed in terms of percentage. This is the flow of our process. This is the output, that is the demo of our project. So we are running our process in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the data selection. So here we are displayed some sample of data from your data set. Then data pre-processing module, here we have to check missing values. So in our data set they have some missing values in particular attribute, so we need to replace that missing values by zeros or calculating some median values. So after checking missing values, there is a no missing values. Actually the zero indicates there is no missing values in our data set because it is a count of missing values. Then label encoding, so here we have to convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is the string which is present in our data set, so we have to convert the string into numeric integer value. Then data splitting module, so the data splitting, we have to split your whole data set into test and train. After that classification, so here we are implemented different ML algorithms, that is the AdaBoost and decision tree. So AdaBoost is present in existing and decision tree is present in proposed. So we conclude that the proposed is efficient. Okay, so the decision tree algorithms result must be higher when compared with the AdaBoost algorithms. So prediction, here we have to predict the what type of that is the what type of construction injury prediction, like this is the moderate or heavy or like that. Then this is the performance analysis for both algorithms. So this is the output for of our project. Thank you.